Okay, let's say that one day you want to check out your wallet, you type in oz.com and you notice that you can't, that it is down for a reason. Could be Cloudflare's fault, because they are down and now you want to access your wallet, you can't. Yeah, so that's the limit of domains. Uh, they can be hacked, DDoSed, stuff like that. But Internet Computer has a solution to this. So this wallet is stored in a canister, and we need to just find which canister ID it is. So to do so, right click, inspect, network, and reload page. And I'll check this out, okay? We'll click the root, and here is the canister ID. Just copy this, and then open a new tab and type in .icp0.io, and voila, the wallet is still accessible. So nobody can take down this. Nobody. Okay. So regardless if the domain doesn't function, you still can access your wallet. That's the great benefit of Internet Computer.